LG refrigerator model LFCS22520D error codes. Keep food at peak freshness with this 30-inch LG refrigerator. Its smart cooling system automatically adjusts cooling levels based on temperature fluctuations, and several vents effectively circulate air throughout the interior. The full-width pantry drawer of this 22.0 cubic feet LG refrigerator delivers quick access to prepared appetizers and meals. Error codes. Code FDS. Problem: freezer defrost sensor. Fix: sensor short or wiring problem. Code RDS. Problem: refrigerator defrost sensor. Fix: sensor short or wiring problem. Code RHS. Problem: humidity sensor. Fix: sensor short or wiring problem. Code RIS. Problem: ice maker sensor. Fix: sensor short or wiring problem. Code RSS. Problem: pantry sensor. Fix: the pantry is the deli drawer. Short in sensor or wiring problem. Code RRT. Problem: room temperature sensor. Fix: short in sensor or wiring problem. Code IT. Problem: system error inside ice maker. Fix: self-test ice maker routine. Code RGF. Problem: flow meter error code. Fix: water pressure, flow of water. Code FDH. Problem: sensor did not get over 40 F in defrost. Fix: faulty fuse, heater or control board. Code RDH. Problem: sensor did not get over 40 F. Fix: faulty fuse, heater or control board. Code IF. Problem: the fan for the ice compartment failed. Fix: icing fan blocked, ice fan motor is defective, wiring in the circuit is defective, or the control board has failed. Code IRFF. Problem: evaporator fan failed. Fix: fan motor, control board or wiring harness. Code IRCF. Problem: condenser fan motor is defective. Fix: condenser fan motor, wiring or the control board. Code IRCO. Problem: communication error. Fix: communication error between main board and display board.